What's up, YouTube? TeamHadoken here, finally uploading our first video, and we're trying to get started here on YouTube, and we're going to do that by opening up the wind-up Zenmaister box. And yeah, this is team leader Shin Luffy speaking, and this tin belongs to 6 seat Shin Hyorimaru. And here you go, Shin Hyorimaru, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, now let's get started on the box. Alright, and XYZ monster thing. This up. What we got here.
Pretty sweet.
There we go. Got
Wow, that's sick.
wind up Zenmaster. Neo Pares, the Sky Paladin.
Sick.
Arc Lord.
Christia.
Ultimate Hero Gaia. Pot of Duality. It's pretty sick. Nice card right there. It's all black. Very nice. Alright. And now let's get these. Alright then. I got 5. The box set 4. Open up this one first. Tinky Soul. Shane's Scheme. Bloodsucker. Temple of the Sky. Nice hollow.
Temple of the 6.
6! My bad. Sheen's Smoke Signal. Cyber Shield.
That was used in the show a lot.
Barrier. Resonator. Divine Relic. Majalner. Blackwing.
Blackwing card, nice.
Column of the Haze. Okay, let's put these two off to the side, I guess. And just throw it right there. Next pack.
Technical difficulties. Bust out the scissors.
Yeah, get at me, bro.
Oh shit, we got a badass. Scissors. And he still can't do it. There we go. Alright.
Alright. Hourglass of Courage. Top Runner.
Karakuri Cash. Legendary 6 Samurai Enshi. Sick. That's
very nice.
That's legit.
That over there. Doppel Warrior. Oh, kind of like a doppelganger. Very nice.
Majo Shelion.
Okay, Resonator Engine. Ooh, another 6 Samurai.
Kagemushi of the 6 Samurai. Pretty sweet.
It's kind of like a Bleach name. Zero Force. And that's all for that one.
Nice.
Alright. I can open this one pretty nice.
That'd be sweet.
Yeah!
Nice pack. You gotta get something great. He wanted to open up.
Ooh.
Karakuri Komak Mole 24 Ninishi? Yeah. Crazy name, but there you go.
Tuner. Resonate Destruction. Mechlord Army.
Mechlord Army of Skill. That's a Mechlord card. Very nice. Very nice indeed.
Red Carpet. Oh, kind of like with the Star Rock on. Nice. Ooh. Looks pretty cool.
TGX3-DX2 Rare. There we go. Happy birthday.
It's kind of nice. Oh, another hollow.
Naturia Eggplant.
Looks kind of cool. Oh, there's another one.
I'm not reading that. God.
PGX1-LH. 6 style. Dual wield.
Sweet.
Looks pretty epic.
Morphtronic Lantron. Pretty sick.
That's
And
all for that pack. Then also
hope these other 2 packs are just as nice.
Oh, that's pretty reasonable. Look at that picture.
Jeez.
Oh, here we go again.
Let's do this.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
All right. Ooh, baby.
Ooh, nice. Synchro. The Fabled Unicorn. Gay name. Sick card.
Ooh.
Dragoonity Milton.
Hollow one. Wow.
Wow. Nice.
Another hollow.
I think it's a full hollow pack, actually. Yeah.
Another hollow.
Jurok Hera and
Another hollow.
Thnx, Ali, Bellflame. Yeah. I think it's just a smaller pack of cards, but all super.
Yeah, this is the hidden arsenal.
Alright.
Awesome. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby.
And that's a secret, isn't it? Wow.
It's pretty sick. Ice Barrier dude. General
Raiho of the Ice Barrier. Sick.
Nice. Another dinosaur.
Jurok Alo. Sweet.
Machine. Kind of looks like Mega Man.
It does look like Mega Man. Thnx Ali Solid. Alright. Sick. Mega Man is Yu-Gi-Oh card.
Oh, yeah. It's kind of destructive.
The Fable Nozuchi.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nozuchi.
Then another machine. Thnx Ali Birdman. And is that it?
I'd say so. Yeah, so overall, pretty sick box actually. Pulled quite the nice amount of cards, pretty cool cards in it. And yeah, help us get started off on YouTube. We're gonna have more videos, a lot funnier. Probably gonna have some bloopers at the ending, and yeah, we're just trying to get started here, so help us out by commenting, liking, rating, subscribing. Thanks a lot. This has been Shin Luffy and
Shin Hiyorimaru.
And signing out. What's going on YouTube? This is TeamHadoken. Shit.
Slurp,
What's going
slurp.
Fuck you. What's going on YouTube? TeamHadoken here. Finally doing our first goddamn motherfucking dick lick of a video.
That's why I need to pick it up, Michael.
No, it's because I lost what I was saying and then I was trying to pick it up like this and I failed and fuck! What's up YouTube? TeamHadoken here. Finally uploading our first video. Trying to get started up on YouTube and we're gonna do that by not hitting our head on a lamp.
Alright, now let's just get started on the box right now. That's a bitch. You need a knife!
No, if anything, we'll just cut this part off. Just have the box without the plastic wrap and be like, yeah, cutting it off was a bitch.
No, just give me fucking scissors, alright?
Alright, whatever.